love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling?
So here we are at the gas station. So I'm go put some air on my bike. This tire came loose. Oh, there's the air. Situation's worse than I expected. Feel it, feel it. Okay. Oh. So go down again. Again? Oh no, look. So my uncle's right here fixing the bike.
I mean,
Alright, so this is day 2 of fixing my bike. So yeah, we're just gonna take it to the gas station to fill it with some air. What my uncle did is he patched it on this wheel.
yeah, this tire right here, it's all rubbed out. It's losing its threading, so it's gonna need a whole new tire. And I put a patch on there to patch the hole that was inside, so it should be fine, hopefully. So we're just gonna get some air in it and get it going.
Okay, so here we are at the gas station. We're gonna find the air tank.
$1. You can go next door and ask him quick.
Okay, change of plans. We're going to the tire repair shop over here. Wait, thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Let's go. Stand.
Yeah, don't I I see my mother struggling. That was tough. I got to do
All right, thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Thanks.
That.